So walking along Chubb Lake, the southwestern shore, and back on the main road. Scouts are already across the meadow. Morning. So when walking through the woods here, I'm always looking at the leaves on the plants that I might brush up against. They say if the leaves are in 3, leave it be. That's poison oak. So poison oak usually is their leaf formation, if you look it up, in 3, formation of 3. So from where the leaf is, there'll be 3 leaves coming from that triple point. And so let's talk about poison oak. Poison oak has an oil that, if left on your skin, will start to boil the skin, blister it, and then the blister would pop. There'll be ulcer there. It's real bad. So anytime you go through the woods and brush up against something that is you suspect is poison oak, you should always, just for precaution, as soon as you can, wash it off with soapy water, and you'll be washing off that oil. So imagine, some oil like butter or canola oil gets on your skin, you wash it off right away, you'll be fine. But if you leave the oil on there, then it'll do its damage on the skin. We have to empty out the cabinets completely. So there's loose items up on top. Grab them and put them in your drying trays. Yeah, just grab it all. Here. Yeah, stuff it. Okay, we got everything completely empty, and then okay, and I'll close it. You go ahead. No, you just hold on to it. Close it. And we got everything. Yeah, get this too. That's somebody, so I'll get that. We'll get this trash too. Okay, careful not to drop any utensils on the way back. Good job, Edward. If you guys careful not to drop any utensils on the way back. If you guys get tired, switch off with Edward. You know, take a break. Hold up. Let's wait for Dylan. What's going on, Dylan?
No, put on the top.
Okay, here we go. Anybody got a bag? Let's put all these utensils. Let's grab all the utensils and put it in a bag, just for safekeeping. This bag.
No, God.
Here you go, Edward. Put that in, and you can put it in this bag, and here, just put it in this bag, guys.
That bag in the bag?
Yeah, bag in a bag. Bag in a bag. Let's go. Any loose bags, put it in this bag, and Edward can carry it.
Yeah.
Okay, Edward, here you go. Open the bag. This bag. Oh, now you got something to carry. Okay, everybody, you ready? Just shore up all those cups.
Yeah.
Anything that could fly out and make you stop, shore it up. See what we're doing here? No? There you go. A little better, right? All right. Shore up all the cups. Okay, good work, guys. Okay, let's roll out. Everybody good? Rolling out. So we were sent over here to get the mess kits, and now we've got them, and we're headed back to camp. And the time took us 14 minutes to get to this point. So you're looking about 30 minutes back and forth. By the time we get back there, it should be $8 o'clock. By the time we get back there, it should be 8 o'clock, and they should be ready to serve breakfast, which I believe is just oatmeal. So the cups and the spoons will get used. And the repair on your pant, Alex, has separated. So do you have a backup pair of pants, Alex? You do? Okay, just so that repair ripped on your pants. Ayo. Ayo. Missed the turn off. So you guys got to be very, very good at navigating the terrain. This morning, if we had taken a left, would have taken us longer. And then we missed the turnoff right just now. The person in the lead position it's very important that they take the correct path. So here we are, heading back from the dining hall with the mess kits. Starting to get a little warm, so adjust my take.